Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to describe your all-new Siri shortcut in iOS 27 and macOS 27 Golden Gate. Creating a shortcut on your iPhone or iPad traditionally requires you to know which actions to add and how to connect them together. With iOS 27 and macOS 27 or later, Apple Intelligence makes the whole process much more approachable by allowing you to describe what you want your shortcut to accomplish using natural language. Instead of manually searching through actions and building a workflow from scratch, you can simply explain the task you have in mind, and Apple Intelligence can determine the appropriate actions and assemble the shortcut for you. That's it. Let's get started. So first we have to open the Shortcuts app on your device and then hit the new shortcut option in the app. Now you need to describe a shortcut interface where you simply explain what you want the shortcut to do. You can simply describe what you want a shortcut to do, whether it involves one task or several actions, and Apple Intelligence will determine the right steps and automatically build the shortcut for you. For instance, you could create an automation that checks your first calendar event for the following day, sets an alarm accordingly, turns on sleep focus, and dims your bedroom lights every evening. Another shortcut could show your first meeting, display the current weather, and bring up your reminders each morning. Just like traditional shortcuts automations, these AI-generated shortcuts can run automatically based on different triggers, including a specific time, your location, activity within an app, system events such as taking a screenshot, incoming notifications, and other conditions. So that's how you can use Apple Intelligence to create a shortcut simply by describing what you want it to do. This natural language approach removes much of the complexity traditionally associated with building shortcuts, making automation more convenient, even if you're not familiar with the Shortcuts app. You can describe a routine in your own words, and Apple Intelligence can turn that description into a practical workflow with the appropriate actions. Once created, you can further customize the shortcut to better match your needs or use it as part of an automation triggered by time, location, app activity, or other events. If you regularly perform the same task on your device, describing your next shortcut could be an easy way to turn the routines into a pretty useful automation. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily get the most out of this all new feature. And I'll catch you up in the next one.